wanted this game badly, and we didn't want to prolong it anymore, and we just want to be in play in the finals.
Girona, this is Marco. First of all, congratulations. You didn't play against Adamson in the second round. In this ball game, 7 of the first 9 points of your team was courtesy of you, and 11 of the last 17 points sa'yo galing. Did you really make it a deliberate effort on your part in the fourth quarter, especially to ask for the ball when your team needed the baskets?
Um, um, in our team, whoever's the hottest, like, gets the ball, and at this game, like, I thought na everything was going my way. That's why I kept asking for the ball for the last 2 plays.
All right, I believe we'll be having Coach Alvin Ayo. He's on the table. Coach, congratulations on the win. You said at the half that your team played too safe, and that is why you had a close game in the first half. What do you attribute it to? What did Adamson do to make it tough for you guys in the first 3 quarters of the game?
They just played an excellent defense, taking care of the small details, and they were pressuring our ball handlers. That's why we had a very, very hard time crossing the basketball, the midcourt. And every time we crossed the ball at the midcourt, wala, kinakain na yung shot clock namin. So, nahirapan kami mag-execute.
Coach Marco, this year, congratulations for entering the finals. Coach Gina, sabi mo, they gave you a hard time in the first half. Evidence of that, you had about, I think if I'm not mistaken, 15 turnovers by halftime pa lang. Anong sinabi mo, Coach, dun sa players yun during the halftime huddle? Kaya nagbago yung complexion. You guys came out more aggressive dito sa second half.
I told them to play our game, and I told them to take care of the basketball and keep on executing. Uh, Even in the third quarter and early part of the fourth quarter, we were not playing our game. That's why uh, I'm hesitant to congratulate them, because that was a horrible game for us, and I don't like the time. Very unfortunate for us na mangyayari to sa Final Four. And hindi naman siguro aabot to sa mag-aaway-away pa kayo para mag-execute kami.
Well, despite what you call the horrible game, Coach Alvin, you won. You're through to the finals. Now, some of your players, including Bennett Bana, mentioned that you want to beat Ateneo, or they want to beat Ateneo. If there's a team that you can't pick, who would you pick in the finals? And which team would you have an advantage over?
Well, pare, I believe in a saying that be careful with what you wish for. So, I don't care if it is FEU or Ateneo, para sila magpatayan sa next game nila. Pero kung sino manalo, yun ang harapin namin.
Coach, thank you once again, and congratulations, Coach Alvin and Coach Jerome.
Congratulations and good luck in the next round. Well, there you have it, Coach Alvin.
Okay, okay, Coach. Um, Medyo, ano yung nangyari sa first half na, yun, sa first half, parang,
We were not executing our game plan. And, pare, nakaka-bad trip. Talagang, I was very disappointed with how we played on the first half. And, ayoko lang, very timely mangyayari dun sa Final Four. So, pare, ito lang sinasabi ko na dahil pa namin katrabahuin. And, it's very odd kasi Final Four na latter part of the season na So, dahil pa namin dapat trabahuin and kailangan pa namin mag-improve.
like,
Coach, you called the game a horrible game for you guys, but you still got the win. How did that happen? Horrible game there, pero panalo.
Siguro kung natalo lang namin sila sa Lasal. Siguro we really prayed hard. Kung nakikita nyo ilan yung minintis nila, dun sa how many chances, yung closing. Diba? Malaki kami pero hindi kami nakapag-box out. Ang daming second chance points. Second chance points. Binigay lang sa amin, pare. Pero hindi namin kinuha. Binigay lang. Hindi namin pinagpursigan. Ayaw lang talaga sumot yung puntos nila. Pero on our part, medyo kulang. Kulang yung mga ginawa namin.
Sabi mo nga, you know what it's like the underdogs. Ano yung nakita mo sa Adamson na parang resemblance din sa run last game?
Tiyaga. Sinaga kami. Inutay-utay kami. And kami naman, we were complacent even on passing the ball, kung ano yung mga simpleng pasa or simpleng execution, we did not execute. Siguro kung mayroon man, mga 2 o 3. Ako pare, ayoko na, baka sabihin ng mga bata na ganito, bakit ganitong stage pa magsasabi, sasabihin yung ganito. Well, I want them to, gusto kong magising. Kung pasok na kami sa finals, coming into finals, gusto kong magising yung team namin na we cannot play like this.
Siguro yun, ma-realize na namin na it's down to last 3 games and wala, if we don't fix our problem now, there's a chance na we might regret kung paano matapos yung season namin. Of course, we don't want that to happen and we can do whatever it takes. To do it sa akin. Siguro one evident reason is yung turnovers namin. I think we turnover a lot, especially me. And yun, marami pa kami planning work on to better the fight.
Pero niya at 7 first half, pero kung second half, tinitawag mo ito. Bago sa second
Siguro medyo tigil lang ako muna.
Of course, that's a concern. Again, 6 turnovers. Titignan mo yung ratio, titignan yung assist turnover ratio. Pusoy kami dyan. Kailangan namin trabahuin yan. Execution during the game, because during the practice, ginagawa namin yan. We kept on simulating everything during the practice. Now the problem is, how do you put those schemes during the game? Yung nagiging problema namin. Bakit pag may camera na, bakit may TV na, bakit may mga crowd na, bakit nagbabago yung galaw ng mga bata? Yun ang problema namin. Bakit may mga players na ayaw mamasa? Pag may TV na, o pag may camera na. Pero yun ang problema namin, pare.
Yung bandang ulit si Kiero na ng way out sa inyo.
Of course, wala nang ibang sasandalan kundi si JT and Ben. And in that kind of situation na magagaling yung bola doon sa ibabaw, of course, you go for yung main man. And you go for yung taong gusto manalo.
Coach, on a personal level, balikas sa finals, service na yung league. How does it feel?
Sa tulong ba, hindi pa ako na yung masmasan. Sama ng laro namin. And Coach Glenn was comforting me. Sabi ko, hindi ako papayag ng ganun-ganun lang yung laro. Kasi hindi naman to makarating ka lang sa finals, okay na eh. It's all about winning the championship. And sabi ko nga sa mga bata na sabi ko, you have to be accountable and you have to do your part because lahat naman ginagawa lahat eh, yung support ng managers, yung practice plan, lay down lahat, yung game plan, lay down lahat. So it's just a matter of executing those schemes.
Coach, on Saturday pa yung finals. Is it a positive team din na matagal or concerning?
days to prepare. Mas makakatulong kasi yung mga lapses na ginawa namin kanina will make sure na magawa namin, ma-resolve namin, masolusyonan namin, and siguraduhin namin na come December 3, magawa namin ang dapat namin gawin.
Okay, my question.
Coach Baton, what do you think about Anderson, a young team which is the
Siguro ko, alaki lang in-improve because of sistema, and they have also the materials. Yung mga players din naman, although those players are off the radar pero kung titignan mo, magaling din naman yung Spileta, magaling yun, yung Tungkap, magaling yun. And they have also a dominant teamwork. So, and maganda sistema. So, they deserve to be in the Final Four, and well, they played well.